Welcome to Adom Waterfalls! Hi guys, it's Easy Adventures here, and today we are going to Adom Waterfalls on the mountain. But you know, first things first, we need to pay respect to Auntie Adom. She has the best boat roads in town. Before you climb the hill, make sure you make a stop here and get one of the best boat roads in town. She actually gave us a discount. She said Easy Adventures is like one of the best travel and tour companies in Ghana, so she's here to support. I think she even wants to be part of our sponsors. Auntie Adom, great.
This all both roads. It's bigger than my head. Iman, you rate it over 10.
11 over 10, 11 over 10. Renam, Toby.
Take one, and then you rate it over 10. Over 10 is what?
One Kusiani Mako. So guys, you don't get Kusiani Mako. We're in Ghana. I'll show you how to eat a Kusiani Mako. Eat it. You won't talk to you. You have something called a grande form. The play is the floor. Let's just see how it's done. So you have red and green pepper. Only red, okay, but you have vegetables. You have vegetables. Only red pepper. Onion, yeah. And live vegetables. Okay. Thank you. So, cheers. I said only one. For now, we are starting with one. Cheers, guys. Put the whole egg in the mouth. You guys stand here. I'll buy 50. I'll just buy one. For now, I'll be back.
Okay, so now we are here. We're making another stop to get fruits. We want to have a good time at the waterfall. So yeah, if you look on my left side, you can see there's a fruit market. Yeah, so we're gonna get some good fruits and then enjoy the ride.
Alright guys, so it's time to buy some fruits. You can't come to Ebu and not buy fruits. Very fresh fruits. Forget Accra fruits. Yeah, the fruits are on the mountain, so the wind they blow on now. Let's go and get some fruits.
What are those? Look at what this boy is wearing to hike. Like a Nike Air Force. Look at mine. A New Balance. Hey, this boy. Charlie, you be the guy.
Big boss, welcome to Adom Waterfalls.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, one of the best tourist attractions in Ghana. Yeah, and it's located in Eastern region, as you can see. Right down the Bree, and this community is called Obosomase.
Obosomase.
Yes, please.
Guys, take note of that. Obosomase.
Yeah, Obosomase.
What does Obosomase mean?
Obosomase probably is derived from an olden days. It was called Obosom Ase, as we derive like the moon. It's in the olden days, the moon was called Obosom. Okay. Yeah, so those who first settled here, they gave the name
Oh,
Obosom.
nice. So under the moon.
Yeah. So by the time they got here, it was one full moon. Yes, it was the end of every month that it gets a full moon. So they settled under the moon called Obosom Ase. They said, yeah. So Obosom Ase. And you know, the name came, then Obosom. Yeah,
I was thinking Obosomase is like under a god.
No.
Obosom, like Bosom, like Bosomase. That's
No,
what I'm thinking.
I mean, probably that's what people think. Yeah.
Even in Chi, the moon is right now called Bosome, right?
Bosome.
Like the month.
Yeah, the man.
Ah, yeah, Bosome. So Obosomase.
Let me teach you.
Clack it.
So we have probably like 10 minutes hike from here to the beach.
10 minutes hike.
Yeah, that is the actual time. Because you know some of them they walk slow, some of our friends they walk slow, some are quick, you know, so it depends on
Yo!
the walk.
We have Jenny on board. It's not baby on
Yeah.
board. Jenny on board.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. I just thought you were busy, man.
Okay, so as I already said, we have 10 minutes from here to the place. Yeah. And the place starts, it's in session around 6 o'clock a.m.
6 a.m.
Yeah.
That's
Then
early.
they close 6 p.m.
6.
So
Okay, 6 p.m.
6 to 6. Let me say it that way.
Okay.
And there's light here.
Okay.
Yeah. There's light here. Don't mind our road. Our road is not that good, but we are trying to
Yeah, it's
do
okay.
our best.
Better than most roads in Accra.
For sure.
Guys, don't mind me. I'm just joking.
Okay, so some people may ask, can we drive down the place?
Yes.
Yeah, the answer is a bit no and a bit yes.
Okay.
Yes, because the road is not that good. But those with the 4x4 drives, like
Yeah.
the Land Cruisers,
You can go
the
down.
Tundra, yeah, with that one you can go
Oh,
down.
that's beautiful.
Yeah. But with the Lantra type and the Vate,
Oh, what are you telling Lantra and Vate owners?
No.
Guys, we are sorry, okay? Oh, God bless you.
Sorry,
You buy,
apologies for that.
you buy Ford F-150.
We are probably half of the journey. Yeah. So the place, when we get to the place, we have an entrance. You have to enter before when you get to the reception. Yeah. But probably one thing is the waterfall is not at the reception.
Okay.
Let's bear that in mind.
Okay.
Yeah. You get to the reception before you get to the waterfall.
Okay.
And the waterfall too is a two-sided place.
Okay.
Yeah. We have the bigger side and the smaller side.
So the kids side and the adult side.
Sure.
The biggest.
Let's say the kids side.
Okay.
Yeah, because the smaller side, it's very good for the kids. Yeah, it's very spacious.
Guys, you
and
can bring your children.
it's not as rocky as the other side.
She's a baby girl.
Sure. Okay, so talking about the smaller side, it
don't
also
wear
has two different.
Don't wear Air Force, Nike Air Force to hide.
Please
bro.
don't when you are
New
coming.
Balance.
When New Balance,
New
when New
Balance.
Balance.
Where's something for sports? Eh?
Yes.
In case maybe your joggers or sneakers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why is it called Adom Waterfalls?
Oh wow, that's good. You have a great question. Okay, so the history goes about a hunter who went missing for 3 good months in the bush. Okay. Yeah. So coming back, I mean he's lost, so he can't find any, let's say a landmark or something that will direct him back home.
Okay.
Yeah. So when he came, he saw the waterfall. So it was the waterfall that directed him back home.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So he was like, oh, because of the Adom, let me say it in Chief.
Yes.
Adom, you soon Adom.
Like by the grace.
By the grace.
Okay.
That's how I go home.
Okay.
So that's how we named it.
That's how we got the name Adom. So in English, it's called Grace Waterfall.
Yeah, Grace Waterfall.
Beautiful.
Let me say that.
So just like Moses, we are here at the Promised Land.
This is the entrance, and here we are at the reception.
We're here, guys. Okay, so I realized that you have like lots of sitting areas and some game places and stuff. Can you tell me
Okay, so once again, I welcome you to the reception of Adom Waterfalls. Yeah. So this whole place, as you can see, this is our reception. We have a seat here where you can stay. Maybe you come here with your food, drinks or something. You can stay in there, have fun. Also have games around. We have the drafts here. We have the Ludo. We have Owari. And as you can see, you see those two big trees over there.
Yes.
Let me say it that way, big trees somehow. Yeah, it's a basketball court.
Oh, nice. Basketball court.
And volleyball court. You can also play there.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. We can also remove the net for you guys to play football.
Football.
Yeah, because down here we have a lot of games. Yeah, you want to play.
And then the swing. Jeff
And
is
we
already
have
on the
a
swing.
here.
Nice.
If you want to have fun with the swing, you can
Okay.
go with. Yeah. And also, we also have a tree house up here.
Okay.
Yeah, we also have a tree
Tree
house
house up
over
here,
there.
okay.
Yeah, so if you want to go there and explore how nature is, yeah, you can go up there
Get
and
some
see
nice
how
views from there.
the place is. Yeah, you can go there and have a look at how it is. So please follow. This is our tree house.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can come up here. If you want to be cool, want to stay alone, you can come and sit here,
Oh, nice.
have your cool time. Yeah, so as you can see the beautiful
This is
view.
beautiful.
Yeah, how the terrain is, how the mountain is formed, everything. You can just stay up here and watch it. You can also come and stay here for a cool breeze. Stay alone, have your reading time, your cool time.
This is
Your leisure
beautiful.
time, you can
Wow.
be doing it up here.
Wow.
Yeah, so this how. the
No, this
tree
is
house
really beautiful.
Yeah.
Wow.
Everything here is nature. Everything is natural. Yeah.
Truly
everything-
Adom.
Yeah.
No grace.
Everything. You see, whilst we're coming, I told you we have a two-sided place here.
Yes.
We have the smaller side
Yeah.
and the bigger side.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is the first place. That's the smaller
The
side.
smaller side, okay.
Yeah. That's the 22 stairs. Yeah.
I think.
Let's go. Let me see. Okay, so we are heading to the smaller side. Okay, so guys, let me add this one. We have a canopy walk here, but currently it's under renovation.
Okay.
So maybe small time you guys will come and see everything will be done.
Oh.
So how many steps is this? 22 steps to the small waterfall.
So yeah, we have also this side. This is not what I was talking about. This is also part of the other side. So we are going up there and have a look at what God has created up there. Everything is natural over there. So you guys follow me and let's have a look around. Area girl. Area girl.
Like the canopy walk would have been mad. Something small about here. Tell us something small about here.
Okay, so this is also part of the smaller side, as I already told you. Yeah. So here, please, we have to be cautious here. Here it's very slippery. Yeah, you have to bear it in mind. Here it's very slippery because the water has passed through. It has passed onto the rock for a very long time. Yeah, and it's very slippery. So you see, it's struggling to come up. As I already said, it's very slippery here.
Tell you guys.
When it's in dry season, the pressure decreases. But it's not as much as it's so dry. You know, we have some waterfalls. I don't want to mention them. Yeah, we have some waterfalls. During dry season, you can't get even a drop of water. But here, being the case, it's not as the other side. Yeah, here we have water that flows 247 every day, all night. Yeah, we have water. Let's stay together. So, as I already told you, it's a two-sided place.
Yeah.
We've already been to the smaller side. Now we are heading to the big side. That's the 90 stairs one I told you about.
90 stairs.
Yeah. So
Okay.
let's
Nice.
go there and have a look at it.
Let's go.
So this is the first step.
First step.
Yeah, of the 90 stairs.
We are doing 90. 1. Let's go. 2. 3. 4. 5. When I reach 90, then I continue.
Probably get exhausted now.
Bro, I've lost count of the stairs.
Yeah.
When I reach 90, you know. $79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87.
Welcome to Adom Falls!
Revenge.